I'm going to just hit reload here so we can see the beginning of the fly-in of the ship. As I walk through this, how about providing some color commentary about shooting this ship using a Matterport Pro3 camera, Douglas?
All right, so let's start off first with the Pro3 camera. It was a great camera. I enjoyed. I mean, I use a Pro 1 that I've been using for 7 years. Not even the 2, just the 1. It's been my standby, my go-to camera all the time. So the Pro3 camera worked really nice in here because I could move further apart. I took anywhere from 12 to 15 strides, not footsteps, but strides, a nice little walking stride in between each scan. So that made the scans much easier as far as the amount that I did. On the Grandeur of the Sea, I believe we did almost 900 scans altogether that put this together. And Matterport also did something so we had an issue because the stateroom hallways, we could not shoot. They would not align. We'd do 2 or 3 scans in on a stateroom level, and then the next one would jump over to the back, and we just couldn't get it to align properly. So we could not do the ship in the full capacity that we wanted to, which would be going up and down each one of the stateroom hallways. So we were relegated to just doing the positions where the people can go, public areas. That's what I wanted to say. Sorry. So we got to do all the public areas, and within that public area, there's almost 900 scans in here.